Are you recording?
Doing my best.
Oh, okay.
It's imperfect.
All right. Go try it again now. You are loved. Go sing that real quick.
Okay. It's gonna be you, oh Lord.
All right. One more time. That's fast.
No, that's fine.
I know.
It goes to that tempo, so. Okay. Yeah. Oh, are we gonna hit that?
One more time.
Yeah. Okay. It's gonna be you, oh Lord.
You just want to go right into it?
You are loved.
And that's a one.
Yeah.
Should she give you a pause to get into that?
I don't have to, as long as we're on the same page, I don't have to.
Okay.
I know they do that swell and then they go into it. But if you want to just, if it's easier to just go into it, I'm good with that.
Well, it'd be easier for me here. If the folk go for relax along, this is no sparking it. This is what I mean. We just stretch those out.
Yeah. Or actually, what you could do, the full riff takes up one entire bar, so you hit on one, and I come in on the one. So you go. It's gonna be you, oh Lord. Bum, 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 you're gonna down, down. You, oh Lord. You, oh Lord.
Let's try it.
Okay.
All right. Just go to the end part so she can do that.
Okay. All right. It's gonna be you, oh Lord. Yeah. Okay. It's gonna be you, oh Lord.
That'd be good. Yeah. All right. Recording?
Yeah.
All right. Let's do it. From the beginning. One.
But